Hi, there is another example of C++ programming where you will see how to write simple programs in C++. It's just a sample program, very simple one. So first let me open code blocks. This is your code blocks. Let it open. Okay, now go to File, New, Project, Console Application. Right, because we are going to write C++ program, choose C++. Click on Next. In the place of project title, give any name that you want to have of your project. Okay, now you can choose the folder where you want to store your project. A project is nothing else but a combination of many C++ programs. You can have either one single program or multiple programs. Right now we are writing only single programs. So I am going to choose the folder of my choice where I will be saving this project and its files. So me and let me choose C++ course programs. Okay. Now the project will be saved in this folder programs. Okay, click on Next. And as I have told you earlier also, we people are supposed to choose GNU GCC compiler. Right. Now click on expand this sources. Click on main.cpp. Right. This is the template. As I have told you, I will be talking about IOStream and namespace std later on. Right now, do not bother about these things because I am just telling you how to write simple programs. Later on, we will be talking about these nitty-gritty. Okay, I am declaring the variables in the same way as we used to declare in C language. C is a prerequisite for this course. I am repeating it again. So I have declared A and I initialized it with the value 10, B initialized it with the value 100, C, then C is going to A into B. And I'm printing the product A into B, result was put into C, that will be printed. So the declaration is exactly in the same way as we used to do in C language. So as far as giving the comments are concerned, we people use the same technique. Double slash is used to give single line comments and slash star slash encloses the multi-line comments. Okay, then is equal to, as you know, is assignment operator. A minus B will take place, result will be put into C. Now I am going to print it. Now see, I am using endl. Endl is equivalent to using slash and escape sequence. It will simply take your control to the next line. So whatever is being printed, like subtraction is equal to something, that will be printed on the next line because of this endl. So now C is equal to A plus B and we will be printing addition. Okay, again I am using endl to print this output on the next screen. On the next line. Then C is equal to A modulus B. As you know, percentage symbol is modulus, that gives you remainder. A will be divided by B and remainder will be assigned to the variable C. Now I am printing this C. Okay, remainder is equal to will be printed as it is, and in front of this value of C will be printed. Now let me execute this program. I will click on build, yes, then okay, this is the output. As you can see, product is equal to this, subtraction is equal to this, and remainder is equal to this, so on.